Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this beautiful look using the brand new Wet n Wild Nude Awakening palette. So I hope you guys really like this look. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and continue to watch for this tutorial. Okay, so first we're going to start off with this transitional color from the Rose in the Air palette. Also this color right here, which is a transitional shade and not a basic peach palette. And we're going to apply that color to the crease with a large blended fluffy brush. And now for the star of the show, the Nude Awakening palette by Wet n Wild. We're going to take this brown right here and we're going to place that under that first transitional color with a smaller blending brush. Now we're going to take this transitional color out of the Nude Awakening palette. It is like a grayish brown color. And we're going to place that all over the mobile lid with the large shader brush. I wanted to brighten the eyes up a little more, so we're going to use this other transitional color and we're going to place this on the first half of the eyelid just to brighten the eye look up. Okay, so now we're going to smoke it out using the black in the Nude Awakening palette, and we're just going to place this in the outer V with a blending brush. I'm going to line my eye with this gray eye coat pencil from Stila. I'm going to apply my lashes and eyeliner off camera. I'm going to highlight my eyebrow with this NYX eyeshadow and called Blame It on Midnight. So now I'm going to highlight and conceal with this Tarte Shape Tape in the color Deep. And I'm just going to place that in the usual spots, under the eye, on the nose, on the forehead, Cupid's bow, and under my bottom lip. And then I'm just going to blend it out with a damp beauty blender. I'm going to set those areas with Topaz by Ben Nye with a damp beauty blender as well. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to use another Ben Nye powder. This is Sienna and Chestnut Mix And I'm just going to apply this over my face with a flat top buffer brush by Morphe. The contour I'm going to use is called Abby. This is out of the Juvia's Place Saharian Blush number 2 palette. I'm also going to use this highlighter out of the same palette called Zara, and I'm just going to place down the highest points of my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, under my eyebrow, and on my cupid's bow. I forgot the name of the lipstick, but this is made by L'Oreal. It is a metallic matte liquid lipstick, and the liner that I'm using is Eggplant by Jordana. And I'm just going to outline my lips with the Jordana pencil and then place the metallic matte liquid lipstick in between and then blend it together. And then that will be the completed look. Thank you all you beautiful babies for tuning in. Don't forget to clutch your pearls. Hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Bye.